welcome to our Cozy Home. I'm Gina, and today I'm going to make a very special recipe that's very dear to my heart. It's my Grandma Bowling's sugar cookie recipe, and I haven't made this recipe for 21 years. The last time I made it for her, and she has been gone for almost 21 years. So I want to share it with you. And my sister had this made, and this is her recipe, and this is the recipe I am going off of. And because it's so late in the evening, I've then got my stuff in the bowl. And in this bowl, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And in this bowl, I have half a cup of softened butter and a cup of sugar. And I need to combine this together. Us kids used to love going into her house and walking in, and she had huge sugar cookies laid out on her table, cooling. And oh, they were so good. They were huge. I'm not going to make mine as big as she did, but I'm going to make them so I can have a little more without doubling her recipe. You want to make sure all that's combined. And then you want to start adding your dry ingredients. In this sugar cookie recipe, you do not have to stick in the refrigerator for it to shape. You can go ahead and shape it and use cookie cutters as soon as you get it mixed together. And then you need to take a little bit of your milk . And then a teaspoon of vanilla. Get that all mixed in. And then you add a little more of your flour. Go ahead and add it on. And then I'm going to add the rest of the milk. Now I'm going to get in there and get it together with my hands. And get it into a ball. I just washed my hands before I did this, so they're clean. Put this out on a floured surface. Grab my And Grandma always made her cookies pretty thick, so I don't want to roll it out too much. I never made this when the girls were little. I just bought that Pillsbury sugar cookie that was in a roll. So we're gonna put a little flour out here. And I'm going to use this to do my cookie cutters. And you want to put these in a heated oven of 375. And if you want to make more, you double your recipe or make smaller cookies. But Grandma's was always known for being big, and hers was probably bigger than these. Lost one. Probably spray your cup and it'll be a little bit better. And then she always took an egg wash. Do not beat it, just egg wash. Chef Brian is telling me how to do this. You put your egg wash with your egg white. And then she always just put granulated sugar on hers. And this will just melt into the cookie and give you a really sweet flavor. And then it says put it in the oven. I didn't get one. And then you put it in the warmed oven for 10 minutes on 375. So we're gonna stick it in here and I'll let you see it when it gets done. Okay, here they are out of the oven. Still a little warm. I got another batch cooking now. I think they turned out pretty good. I don't like my sugar cookies too brown on top, so I like them with a little bit more vanilla. That makes them softer. So here you go, and I hope my grandma would be proud. As always, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.